Few stock may have some opportunity right now. Today, I'm going to give you the inside of the chart, and this is only for education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. Sometimes I look at daily chart, sometimes I look at weekly chart. And why is that? Today, I'll also give you the reason why sometimes we look at daily and sometimes why we look at weekly. First thing we look at is MU. So we look at daily chart first. The YM cup long basically is the blue line. We actually is crossing above this blue line. One thing to notice is we have YM chip entry here. It means institution did come in here, okay? And now we going above this blue line. This blue line is to tell you the trend line. So basically, if you have my indicator, you can also add this position. You can also add this position. But since we have the blue line, we need to use the blue line as a stop gain price, okay? So right now we have the green candle, so it's still fine. So basically, you can also look at the money institution holding here is decreasing, decreasing, decreasing. This basically start to decrease from this day, from June 1st, and they all the way down, down, down. And until 2 days ago, they have an upward trend here. You see here, the YM chip pass. It means institution holding is increasing. Another thing, YM big buys, big volume trader also increasing above zero. So if you have my indicator, you may add here. If you don't have my indicator, don't worry. Subscribe to my channel. And this is only for education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. And basically today, according to my indicator, this is one of the buy signal actually. But this is only for education purpose. Another thing, we have an up signal here also, okay? And we look at weekly chart as well because I want to know the trading strategy. Should we sell later or should we long hold it? And how long can we hold it? So if weekly chart, if we have a buy signal here, basically we can hold it for longer. And we want to check, do we have a buy signal here? For weekly chart, usually I trade with the red line. The red line go up. This is a long hold. For weekly chart, usually you can hold for a few months. If it happens on monthly chart, it means this stock can hold for a few years, long-term hold. Okay, I mean to trade in the beginning of the trend. When they change the trend from downward to upward, this is the buy signal. This is number one strategy. Number two strategy is when they hit this blue line as a support. Okay, but it doesn't mean they will right away they go above this red. No, but right now we do touch the blue line. Right now, what is the strategy? We touch the blue line. It doesn't mean we can buy it, right? This is only education. It means we have some kind of support and we're looking for if they can go above this red and change to upward trend. Okay, number one. So basically, what is the strategy right now? So the strategy is this market cycle is not yet done because we're still going upward, number one. Number two, we will check this red line. Maybe this will become a resistance. We don't know yet, right? Let's say here. They would take them here to basically under this red line. They take them over 1 month to go above this red line and use this blue line as a support. Now we use this blue line as a support. So let's see how it goes. So basically, daily chart, we have buying opportunity, but we don't know how long we are going to trade. So we can use swing trade strategy, which is buy with the blue, sell with the blue. Okay. When this blue change upward, like confirm change upward, we can add more position. So this is first signal. The second signal is add more position. Basically, first signal is here because basically on this day, actually a few days ago is the buy signal. Why? Because this YM chip is going upward. It's more confirmed. Okay, number one. Number two, we have the another strategy with YM chip entry. And if you join my indicator, I will teach you how to buy with this signal. Okay, basically here we will use this candle, the first green candle, to set up the highest price. Once they go above, we bought. Okay, and this stock today I noticed it they go above this blue line. So this is another buy signal. Okay, and when the blue line change to upward, when this blue line change to upward, and basically it's another buy signal. So right now we still go under this purple line. So let's see how it play. If this purple line change downward, it doesn't look good. But so far we are still okay. Okay. So this is MU. Another one I notice is SNDK. I don't recommend any trade here. I just want to let you know what is going on with the market. We do have institution come in. Institution, we basically they reduce from here, right? They reduce from here because YM cheapest is reducing. And recently they bought back. Okay, so where is the buy signal here? This stock is interesting because we have two strategies. Once they go above this red, and this getting strong, this getting strong. This is the first buy signal, buy strategy. Another one, if you have my indicator, you can use YM chip entry to buy, but we are not buying on the first candle. We are using the first candle, the highest price as a mark price, the highest price of this first candle. Basically, when we go above it, when we close above it, this is the buy signal. So basically today they show a buy signal here. We don't recommend any trade. I'm going to show you, I'm just here to show you how to use it. Another thing, if you don't have my indicator or if you're very BC trader, so you use this blue line. When we go above, this is the first at point. Okay, the trend is still going downward. It's possible they still pull down the price, but it doesn't matter because we see we have a higher possibility to go up. Why? Big volume trader, they entering the market and institution holding is actually, look at this purple line is going upward. So we look good actually. This is SNDK. Another thing, when this blue line go upward for swing trade, it tell you this is the beginning of the bull market. Okay, when this blue line change downward, this means this is the end of the bull market. This is the start of the bear market. And now, hopefully, this is the end of the bear market. Okay, so we also have an up signal here. So it look good so far. So now we look at the weekly chart to see. So this one, we need to be careful. This one is slightly different from MU. They don't pop up blue signal because it's not long history enough. And we are still under this red line. If we go above this red line, this is a very good news. The first step, we go above. And even the money, we just have the first green candle here. The big volume is the first week they start to buy. Okay, so we still need to, it's quite beginning stage. So let's see if they can go above this red. If not, if they stay below this red line, basically we just use swing trade or short-term trade. That's it. Because the weekly chart doesn't look good, right? We're still under this red line. So this is SNDK. Another stock I have a look today, which is Dell, which is quite interesting as well. Look at here. They go above this blue, they go above the purple, they go above the basically free line. Basically, does it look good? This yesterday, it has a very strong candle, which is 9% up, right? Today they have another 2% up, but it fresh red candle. So something we need to be aware. But if you use my indicator, look at this red candle, the big volume they're buying or selling. This green candle means buying. And where is the institution buying? Is this free green candle? So basically, it look really good. Okay. So the first, if you have my indicator, use this and red line, you can buy. If you're a very busy trader or you don't have my indicator, you can use this blue line and follow my channel. Otherwise, how do I give you my video, right? So right now we have a buy signal yesterday. Okay. So now we look back. Let's say you don't have this indicator thing, you can still see we are inside this rectangle box. We are just going above it. Is it possible they pull back, touch back this the top of the rectangle box? The answer is yes. It's very possible. Okay, but I don't know. I'm not crystal ball. But I just tell you, we have institution coming in here. And the trend, we are above this trend. So we are quite strong, right? Big volume, strong. Institution, strong. So we look good, right? Money look good. The trend, we need to go upward. this blue line need to turn upward. So far, we look good, to be honest. If we zoom in, this blue line is starting to turn upward, right? Here. Slow, but starting. So now we go back to weekly chart here. Look at here. Are they getting strong? Are they getting strong? This one is not sell signal. It's not yet close below the last year low. So we don't have sell signal for weekly chart. But this stock actually I sold previously because they dropped below this blue line. I did sell it because I make quite very good profit. So I think I know they will fluctuating here. So it's fine. I sell it and you can buy back to avoid the time. Okay, because time is a cost. I can buy other stock to save time. Okay, so basically weekly we do like this again. Is it possible this is a sideways to take a break and go up again? The answer is yes, if the money come in again. Okay, so everything look good. Have a look of the monthly chart as well. This is monthly chart. Of course, the best buy point is here and here. Okay, because the red changed the direction. But if you're not long-term investor, we can use daily chart. The difference between daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart is about the time length you holding the stock. If we're looking opportunity in monthly chart, it means that stock you can hold for, like, let's say if you see a one chip entry here, it means the stock we can hold for few years or even 10 years. For pension is perfect, or you're super busy investor. You don't want to do trading that much. This is a good method for monthly chart. It means super long-term investing opportunity. For weekly chart, this one, usually we hold maximum for a couple of years. That's it. Okay, so this is weekly chart. Look here, we basically, when the red go up and YM chip entry, we have YM chip entry, institution buying. Basically, this is a buy opportunity back to 2026 February. Does that make sense? So here also, this one, 2025 April. So this is buying and you hold it until they go downward, right? So this is quite easy strategy to do swing trade and decide what is the time frame you actually trading. If you like to trade more often, if you have time, let's say 5 minutes a day, you can use daily chart, no problem. And so because I'm trading the same way, daily chart and weekly chart and monthly chart. So the monthly chart is the account I don't touch much. If I see a big opportunity, I will go in. And before I mention is I show you one of the big opportunity. Let's say in any stock, I show you something. When we see opportunity in, let's say Nvidia is the classic example. I don't mean now. Nvidia, when do we have YM chip entry? Let's see, which is back to here, 2008. At that time, you look at here, let's say the highest price is around 0.35. When we have this YM chip entry, usually this one, minimum for monthly chart is crazy profit. I'm not saying 100 times, but 10 times usually no problem. Of course, we don't do prediction. We trade with the signal. So you hold it until the red change downward. That's it. That's it. And you buy back when they go upward. That's it. So what's the problem here? Here we don't have monthly chart opportunity, but we can look for weekly chart, right? You can hold it for a shorter terms for swing trade, or we can look it for daily chart. You can also do swing trade, which is easy, right? The market cycle, tell me, Nvidia, is it finished yet? Look at this blue line. This blue line to tell you the market cycle. Is it still upward? The answer is yes. Okay, and we did not have one single candle close below this blue line. So this is a good part. And some people ask me, can we buy here? Can we buy here? The answer is yes, but we always, if we buy here, it's very different from here. or YM chip entry here. It's very different. So if you buy halfway, let's say here, 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 you really need to check every month, the end of the month, around the end of the month, you check the red line, is it still going upward? Number one, did we already drop below this red line? Okay, for example, here. But if you use monthly chart to trade, let's say you buy here, right? Or you buy here. Do we have sell signal here? The answer is not really, because the last yellow candle, we did not close below the last yellow candle. Okay, so this is the strategy. How do we do the trade? So it really depends what is your time frame. So if you join my indicator, if you buy my indicator, I always ask you, what is your trading style? You can have three different style, no problem. But you need to choose one to be your main, because it will fit your personality. Some people don't like to see the account to have a loss. So you may do the swing trade because some people, when you have, let's say 50% gain, and then they didn't sell it, they hold it, then go back to 10% profit. Then people will say, wow, I don't like this. I want to make profit for 50% first, and then they hold the cash. So you need to consider what kind of style, what kind of personality you are. So some people really lay back, you can really long hold and very patient. And some people, they have time every day. You can look at the stock, you can look at the chart every day, little bit. So you can use daily chart, no problem. So this is depends your trading style and your risk. How much risk can you take? If you can take bigger risk, use monthly chart. So even like say you buy here, right? Around, let's say you buy the highest price 20 here. Here, here is the first sell signal. You're still making 5 times, right? And they go up again, you buy back. That's it. So this is more laid back style. So depends on your style. So this is the update today. I hope you like this video. Okay, like, subscribe, share with your friend. See you next video. Bye.